I pay my respects to all the Buddhas of the past, Buddhas of the future and the present Buddhas. When we say Buddha, Siddhartha, one of the greatest mystics the world had received till date. His greatest contribution is, he said, if you talk about godliness or God, then people will just imagine something about the God and then never they will receive that godliness. His whole effort was to anatta. There is no Atma, anatta. There is no Atma, because he thought the moment you say there is Atma, people will understand and presume something about the Atma. To bring you out of all the imaginations, illusions, first he had to say that there is nothing of that. Start meditating, know thyself, drop your mind, which is a barrier between the body and soul, and understand. Then first time you will know what it is. And for everything, your ignorance is responsible for all your samskaras. He said in Pali language, avidya pachaya sankhara, sankhara pachaya vinyana, vinyana pachaya namarupa, namarupa pachaya salayatanam, salayatana pachaya fasso, fasso pachaya tanha, tanha pachaya upadana, upadana pachaya bhava, bhava pachaya jati, jati pachaya jara, marana, shoka, parideva, dukkha, do manassupayasa sambhavanti, ivame tassa kevalassa dukkha khandassa samudaya hoti. The whole of Buddhism is condensed into these 12 stages. It includes the 4 noble truths, 8 stages, everything about your past life, the present life and the future life. Let us analyze the whole of this. This is called Patipacha Samuppada, the cause and effect relationship. Avidya in Pali language means avidya, ignorance. Avidya pachaya sankhara, the ignorance is responsible for your sankhara, samskara, act of formation or reaction. All our reactions are because we do not know who we are. We are ignorant who we are. We are confused. We are in a maya. We are in a illusion. Hence, we are unable to know. So, avidya, ignorance is responsible for all your reactionary process. Next he says, sankhara pachaya vinyana, Vijnana means consciousness. Sankhara, the samskara, the word samskara which you find in Sanskrit is from the word, Pali word sankhara. Sankhara pachaya vijnana. Because of the samskaras, the residual samskaras, unfinished karma, the consciousness will start. Vijnana. He says 4 stages. Vijnana, Sanya, Vedana, Sankhara. So, Vijnana is coming from the samskara. Because of the samskaras, you have consciousness, otherwise consciousness would not have been there. Vijnana pachaya nama rupa. Nama means mind, rupa means body. Because of the consciousness, the mind and body will start. Nama rupa pachaya salayatana. Because of the body mind complex, salayatana, 6 sensory bases have started. What are these 6 sensory bases? The eye, the ear, the nose, the tongue, the skin, they have, these are all the sensory bases, and the 6th sensory base is called the mind. The eye is impinging on sight, the sound to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, touch to skin, and thought to mind. So, he said Nama Rupa Pachaya Salayatana, 6 sensory bases have started. Very, very scientific. The biggest propagator was Nagarjuna. Upali in the Tripitakas has written one of the Pitakas. So, Salayatana, the 6 sensory bases will start. Salayatana Pachaya Fasso. Fasso means contact. In Pali language, Fasso means contact. The contact is happening because of the 6 sensory bases. This is what Krishna even said. Bhagavad Gita, he was talking about in the Munis, Kapila Muni, and Kapila is a Sankhya philosopher, and Sankhya philosophy is from Buddhist philosophy. So, ultimately even in Bhagavad Gita, the same connotations are there present. All the everything, every sensory organ is going there. So, Salayatana Pachaya Fasso, Fassa Pachaya Vedana. The Vedana or Samvedana, all the sensations are because of the contact. Even Krishna, he said the same thing. Matra sparshastu kaunteya sitoshna sukha dukkadaha agam payano anityaha tam stitikshasva. Bharata. So, Fassa Pachaya Vedana, because of the contact, the Samvedana has started. Vedana Pachaya Tanha, because of the Vedana, the craving and aversion, raga and dvesha. So, Vedana Pachaya Tanha, attachment, is because of the craving, raga, dvesha are there, attachment. You are attached with pleasant and also unpleasant. Because the pleasant is not happening, you are unhappy. Because the unpleasant is happening, you are unhappy. The suffering and misery are because of this tanha. Tanha, it is coming from Vedana. Vedana pachaya tanha, tanha pachaya upadana. So, this tanha is responsible for all the becoming. Upadana pachaya bhava, bhava sagar. Upadana pachaya bhava. The becoming will start, attachment, becoming, everything is starting. Bhava pachaya jati. Because of the becoming, birth has started, jati. Jati pachaya jara, old age, marana, death, shoka, lamentation, parideva, all associated things, dukkha, misery. Though manassupayasa sambhavanti, all the dualities are because of this. Ivame tassa kevalassa dukkha khandassa samudaya hoti. All act of formation, everything is all misery, all suffering is because of this cycle. The 12 stages how we are entering into misery. How to come out of this? Why it is coming in the first place? So, Paticca Samuppada, now he works on how to remove all the avidya, avijyatveva asesa, viraga nirodha, sankhara nirodha. If you are removing the ignorance, that will remove the sankhara, the reactionary mechanism. Sankhara nirodha, Vijnana nirodha. If you are removing the samskaras, then the consciousness is also cannot arise. Vijnana nirodha, nama rupa nirodho. Consciousness is not there, then there is no body, there is no mind. Nama rupa, mind and body complex also cannot be there. Nama rupa nirodha, salayatana nirodho. If the mind and body are not there, then there is no question of 6 sensory bases. Salayatana nirodha, phassa nirodho. Because the 6 sensory bases are not there, then contact is also not there, phasso. Phassa nirodha, vedana nirodho. If the contact is not there, then what is not there? Vedana, samvedana is also not there, sensation is also not there. See how beautifully he is explaining. Vedana nirodha, tanha nirodho. If the samvedana or vedana is not there, tanha, craving, aversion, they are also not there. Tanha nirodha, upadana nirodho. Attachment is also not there. Upadana Nirodha, Bhava Nirodho. Becoming is not there now. Bhava Nirodha, Jati Nirodha, birth is not there. Jati Nirodha, Jara, Marana, Shoka, Parideva, Dukkha, Do Manasupayasa, Nirodha Hoti. Then that does not arise. Jara, old age, Maranam, death, Shoka, lamentation, sorrow, Parideva, lamentation and associated things, Dukkha, unhappiness, misery, Dukkha Khandasa, Do Manasupayasa, all the duality does not arise. Ivame tassa kevalasa Dukkha Khandasa Nirodha Hoti. Then those things also will not be there. All these are responsible for, ignorance is responsible. What is this ignorance? Ignorance, who am I? We are attached with craving and aversion because we do not know the pleasant and unpleasant are going to be painful to us in the longer run, we attach. That is why Patanjali, Buddha, they said the same thing: ignorance, craving and aversion. Ignorance, illusion, who am I do not know, the basic I is unknown. Because you are ignorant, then that will result into craving, raga, and the opposite is aversion, ignorance and aversion. The same thing Patanjali said, avidya, asmita, raga, dvesha, abhinivesha. Avidya, you are ignorant about who you are, then that will result into asmita, ahankara, ahamvitkara. What it is resulting into, you just see. Avidya to asmita, and asmita is there, then you will have raga, and raga is there, dvesha is there, and raga and dvesha are there. Abhinivesha, the fear of death, is bound to be there. See how everything is coming into its place. So, Buddha, he has wonderfully structured his whole that 8-stage process into 3 called Shila, Samadhi and Panya. What is this Shila? The morality, the do's and don'ts. Because we are ignorant, we indulge in lot of issues which are going to be painful to ourselves. So, because these are painful, the moral code of conduct is very, very important. That is why earlier I was talking about Yama Niyama. It is same, the 10 Yama Niyama, Ahimsa, Asmita, everything, all the 5, the personal code and social code of conduct. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha, Saucha, Santosha, Tapaha, Swadhyaya, Ishwar Pranitanani. So, Shila is the moral code of conduct. Samadhi is the concentration. The first time he has introduced one principle called Anapana Sati, Ana and Apana, the in breath and out breath. Being with that in breath, moving with that in breath and moving with that out breath. Absolutely, you are riding on the breath. So, your whole focus is on Samadhi, that is concentration. Samadhi is the concentration. We will learn more and more out of this. And next is Panya. Panya is, you heard of Prajna in Hinduism and Sanatana Dharma, that is from the word panya, that is wisdom. Panya is the wisdom or prajna is the wisdom, sthita prajna is also wisdom. Sthitilo, स्थिति में प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान, तो स्थिति का प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान स्थित प्रज्ञा. Then you will know, you will have the wisdom to handle yourself, and we will be able to go deeper into this whole aspects of how we enter into, how we get that panya, how we concentrate, how we can handle our mind. We will learn more into these aspects, and it is very, very easy. Meditation is absolutely very easy, nothing to be, actually, because we were explaining in Pali what Buddha has suggested. You do not need to confuse, you do not need to remember anything, but meditation is as simple as that, and it will cleanse all your samskaras, vasanas, it will make you a pure being, and it will make you a successful person and a satisfied person, a very, very powerful person, a pure individual. And I wish you all the best, and we shall move into spirituality more in the coming classes. God bless you.